Ever see a gold IRA offer that promises $10,000 in free silver? Sounds exciting, but here's what they don't tell you. That silver might just be covering up hidden fees and inflated pricing. Let me show you the difference between a low spread versus a free silver offer. In a transparent account with a 5% spread, a 100K investment would be worth 95K if you sold right away. Now let's look at one of those free silver promos. Let's say the company adds 10K in silver to your 100K investment. Sounds like a win, right? That gives you 110K worth of metals on paper. But here's the catch. They are using a 25% spread. So if you sold immediately, you would only get back $82,500. That's a huge $17,500 gap just to break even. If you want to see how this math plays out in real life gold IRA offers, I've linked a free guide below. It breaks down the truth behind free silver deals so you don't get tricked by flashy promotions. Before you open a gold IRA, read the Free Silver Scheme report. It shows how to spot hidden fees, understand spreads, and ask the right questions so you can protect your savings. Grab it below this video, it's 100% free.